This is the part 2 of Zoology Park. Next, we saw an elephant and it was so huge. There was a big crowd watching him. He was eating grass and my little brother was very excited to see him.
देखो 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 बेटा इधर इधर तो देखो
끼리 아저씨는 소리래 과자를 주려는
Look, it is a lion, but it's look very weak and it is the king of the jungle. He is moving round and round. Now it is a tiger. It looks like a big cat. It have black stripes on its back and it is walking and has started playing by itself. Now, this is an ostrich, the largest bird in the world. Do you know? Its egg is a single cell and it is the largest cell. At the end, I took lots of amazing pictures with my cute little brother. We had so much fun at the Zoological Park and then we happily came back home. Bye and thank you for watching.